Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a driving situation that fills every driver with dread: overheating. Picture this: you're stuck in unrelenting bumper-to-bumper traffic, running incredibly late for a critical meeting. Or maybe you're just trying to unwind after a demanding, long day. Suddenly, you glance down at your dashboard, and your heart plummets. The temperature gauge is now screaming in a vibrant, ominous red. Steam is billowing aggressively from under the hood, accompanied by a hissing sound. It's boiling, you exclaim, the words barely escaping your lips. I'm stranded. This, my friends, is a true overheating nightmare. And unfortunately, it's something we've all got to be prepared for. Because it can happen to anyone. So, what exactly do you do when faced with this truly stressful event? First things first, don't panic. Although it's easier said than done. The most crucial initial step is to safely pull your vehicle over to a secure location. As quickly as humanly possible. Ideally away from the dangerous flow of traffic. Turn off your engine immediately. Delaying this action, or worse, ignoring this vital warning sign, can lead to substantial, potentially catastrophic engine damage, which can, in turn, potentially cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, and possibly even result in complete engine failure. Now, let's explore the common culprits that lead to this disastrous situation. One of the primary usual suspects is a malfunctioning or stuck thermostat. The thermostat is an incredibly vital component that meticulously regulates the critical flow of coolant. If this essential part fails, the necessary coolant circulation is compromised, inevitably leading to dangerous overheating. Another frequently encountered problem is alarmingly low coolant levels. Coolant, also commonly known as antifreeze, is absolutely essential for effectively keeping your engine cool, especially during demanding conditions. Leaks, or a simple lack of regular and proper maintenance, can easily and quickly lead to a dangerously low coolant level. Let's delve into the safe steps to take. Once the engine has cooled down sufficiently, typically after approximately 30 to 60 minutes, it's safe to carefully check your coolant reservoir. Open the hood, and carefully locate the coolant reservoir. This reservoir is generally a translucent plastic container, cleverly designed with clear markings indicating the minimum and maximum acceptable coolant levels. Remember to ensure you use the correct type of coolant, specifically designed for your vehicle's make and model. If you're uncertain or unsure about the correct type, consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic for expert guidance. Next, slowly and cautiously open the coolant reservoir cap, because significant pressure can build up inside, even after the engine has cooled down significantly. Then, add coolant to achieve the appropriate level, carefully adhering to the markings on the reservoir, and close the cap tightly, ensuring a secure seal. If the coolant level was critically low or completely empty, there's a strong possibility that you might have a leak somewhere within the system. If you strongly suspect the presence of a leak, it's essential to keep a close and vigilant eye on your coolant level in the coming days. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to get your vehicle checked immediately by a qualified and experienced mechanic to prevent further damage. Remember that regular, proactive maintenance, including routinely checking your coolant levels and getting your cooling system professionally inspected, is the most effective and proactive way to prevent an unfortunate and stressful overheating situation, which could potentially leave you stranded. Thank you all for tuning in today. Don't forget to like this video, and consider subscribing to the channel for more exceptionally helpful car tips and other related content.